Hello everyone. Today we're going to make an origami flapping bird. Lots of things like this. So if you want to learn how to make this, be sure to like, share and subscribe. So first we start with a square sheet of paper as always. Fold it diagonally like this. And unfold. Fold again. And unfold. And fold along these lines. Like this. Yeah. Okay. And fold again. Make another perpendicular fold. Just like this. And now you can easily collapse it into a smaller square. That's 1/4 of the original square. And now we make folds along this line like this. And again. And like this on the other side. Like this. And okay, crease along this line to make it easier to fold it inside. What you do is you unfold it like this. And like this. Do the same thing on the other side. This. Now what we do is fold it. I want to make a fold along this line. Like this. And do it on this side too. Just like this. And if we fold it on this side also, it makes it easier to fold it inside because it's been folded on both sides. So we open this up and fold inside. Like this. Yeah. And do the same thing on the other side. Fold it inside. This. And what we do is, easy if we fold it along this line. Yeah. Okay. Like this. And do the same thing on the other side. And now fold the head like this. And now open the wings up a little bit. And then have it see it flaps. There you go. So if you like our flapping birds, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.